yung gutom. Si Nana. Gutom na. What's up mga kanom? Tayo ay dito ngayon sa Cafe Manil.
Moto Nana Eats.
French toast. French toast. French toast. Tignan niyo yung laki niya, oh. Thumbnail. Thumbnail.
One bite.
Ang klaseng style yung kebab nila. It's flattened. Hindi siya yung normal na dikit-dikit o kaya yung isang malaking bilog nila.
Moto Nana Eats.
Ang juicy nung meat ng kebab, ang lasa. Pero ang sarap ng tomato. Parang grilled tomato. Okay. So mga kanams, let's try the crab pasta. Yung crab meat. Shredded, no? Ang sarap. Tsaka yung crab meat, yung crab pasta.
Moto Nana Eats.
Creamy. Ang weird kasi creamy siya. Hindi siya yung normal na yung mga like parang aligi-aligi and stuff. Yung pag kinain mo, andun na kagad yung tawag dito, yung punch ng taste ng crab. Pero ito, it's creamy. Pero it's tasty at the same time. Ang sarap ng crab pasta. Like, siguro for me, it's a different take on the sauce. I like the the kebab. It's very tasty. Let's try my Viet coffee. So sabi ni Derek kanina, actually I was just intrigued dun sa kanilang menu kasi nakalagay Viet iced coffee. So may ibang lasa yung coffee. That's what I can say. May sort of pait siya na something pero hindi siya lasang kape. Pero hindi naman siya ew. Okay siya. Actually gusto ko siya eh. Hindi ko alam kung saan galing. Pero sarap siya. Oh, there's something inside. You see that? Pinagpatong pala nila yung bread. Pero na-amaze pa rin kami kasi ang laki. It's 2026 already. This is actually like the first food vlog that we'll do for 2026. If you haven't checked out our first visit here sa Cafe Manil, check nyo na lang yung mga videos natin below. It's somewhere there. What I can say, sa mga kanomnoms kung hindi tayo nagkakamali, yung last food vlog natin dito, yung lechon kawali, in-order niya direct na laksa pasta. Ang sarap niya din, spot on. Tapos, ito na namang pasta na crab pasta. Ang sarap niya din, promise.
Moto Nana Eats.
Let's rate the food. So, let's try the Hong Kong style French toast na meron siyang espresso butter. Pero ito, it's infused with espresso. Pero let's try first the bun, the bread without the butter. Pero may something siya sa loob eh. Ito, meron pala dito.
Moto Nana Eats.
Here ba? So, kay Direk, Kasi dalawang bread siya na pinagdikit. Like each bread na isoak dun sa may egg batter, kung ano man yung batter nila. Put the peanut butter on the side. Kasi not everybody likes peanut butter, diba? But then again, ang maganda dito sa Cafe Manila, ayun, preference yun. Pero ang maganda dito sa Cafe Manila, yung mga menu nila, yung mga food choices nila, nakalagay sa ilalim kagad kung ano yung ingredients. So, if you don't like peanut butter or you don't like whatever you don't like in your food, makikita mo yun din. Siguro, you can like opt na not to put it or whatever. Pero kasi, kilala nyo naman kami, pag nag-food vlog tayo, as is where is tayo. Hindi natin pinapatanggal yung whatever. Unless na lang allergic ako sa whatever, allergic ko direct. Pero hindi natin pinapatanggal or yung mga ingredients na yun sa food. Because we want to taste the authenticity of the food. With that, oo, masarap yung bread. Yung brioche bread nila. Masarap. Parang medyo cakey na nga yung dating ng bread nila. So yung crab pasta nila mga kanomnoms, aside from the parang yung aligi, parang ganun yung dating. Meron din sila mismong crab meat na shredded na nakalagay dun sa pasta. And the serving is okay. Okay naman yung serving. Okay naman yung
Pero
serving.
mas marami yung last time sa laksa. So,
Yeah. Pero yung crab pasta, nasasaktuhan siya. Crab meat, crab cream, tsaka spaghetti. Crab cream spaghetti. So for the crab pasta, we'll give it a 4.5. The pan grilled Sikh kebab, but we'll rate it as like 3.9. Because we meet in the middle, right? The Hong Kong style French toast with espresso butter. The portioning is big, so I'd probably rate it like, yeah, so we'll rate that as a 4. It's good. The portion is humongous. The brioche bread as is awesome. It's good. Masarap siya. That is it. Pansit. Alam mga kanomnoms, and it's a wrap. Peace.